Okay, so today I am going to just do a quick little overview of Padlet and just a couple of the ways that you can use Padlet to effectively record your research. So if you've never run into Padlet before, I believe it looks a little something like this. So you can join Padlet using your student email. Just a pro tip, you can just click join Padlet, and you can create up to 3 Padlets for free, which is really nice. But the problem is, of course, you probably want more. Just delete them when you're done, but don't forget to export them, which I showed you yesterday, but I'll show you how to do that again at the end of this. Now, the other good thing I like about this is you can collaborate. You can make your own, but you could also join another person's Padlet with the invite code or the link, so that will let you co-author a Padlet. Yeah, what's the question? No, goodness no. So we're going to make one, so the question was, do we make a new Padlet for each one? No, you're going to make one Padlet for all of your something more research. Just like I did in this example where I was researching a topic and I put in a bunch of the entries. So you put a new entry every single time, but you use the same Padlet over and over again. When you're done, let's say you want to get rid of it, you can go to export, which I'm just going to do this on this over here. So you can click on the little dot up there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Dot right by your face, and you go down to export. And at the end, you're actually going to pass your Padlet into me by exporting it to a PDF. So scroll down, then you can see it says save as PDF. Use that one. And then you'll upload that to the Google Classroom when you're submitting your something more. Cool? All right, so let's take a look at this new one that I just made a couple minutes ago, how to get the quote-unquote the most out of Padlet. That's like a very internet type thing. So I just made this in a couple of minutes, and you can set the formatting differently. This one is your most basic Padlet, where every entry is there. Now what I do like is they're numbered, but you can change the order just by clicking and dragging. It's very click and drop friendly. Now the other thing is you can enter any previous Padlet, but pretty much by double clicking on anything. So let's say I want to change the title slightly. I can just double click on that. It'll open it up over here, and then I can change it to example 2, how to get the most out of Padlet. Then I can save it here. I can give it an icon, change the theme, change the font, and this will change all of the fonts in your entries, which is kind of nice. The other thing I want to show you under settings is if you're multi-authoring, if you're co-authoring, it's a good idea to turn on attribution, because you can see at the top of every entry, then it'll tell you who did the link or who did that entry. That's really useful. The other one I prefer going from left to right. So I like putting, in this format anyway, I like doing it, my new entries will go last rather than first, but you can mess around with that and decide which one you like. There's a bunch of other settings you can do. They're probably a good idea, but that's a good start, and don't forget to click save. Okay, and I prefer, I mean, I don't even know why they don't make everything by default dark theme there, because it's just easier on my eyes, but if you prefer the other one, that's totally fine. Okay, other questions? Yeah. They are 100% an option. In fact, I could do a video journal right now just by clicking this and clicking the photo one. And there's actually, you could do it as a photo, but I think there's an option to do it as a video as well. It's not going to work because I'm using my camera right now, but that's the idea. You can also do links. So let's say you researched an article or you saved an article. You can just take a link like I have here from an article that I found earlier, and it will drop that right in there, and it starts with an image with the article, which is really nice. It automatically populates an image. Just give it a title, and away you go. Now, I've already posted that exact same one, so I'm going to discard that. But that's this link right here about music improving the well-being and quality of life. Now, something else that a lot of people kind of enjoy doing is throwing an image or a GIF to make their point. So that's how I made this one. If I double click on it, there we go. So I wanted this image, this GIF to be looping, and I'll show you how to do that. I go plus to make a new entry. I then go down to my image here, and oh, nope, not that one, sorry. Where is it? Under image search, but right next to that is GIF. And if you, or GIF, depending on if you prefer to say it that way. If you want, you can then search for it directly in here. You don't have to find the link for it. So let's say I want to find one. I just searched up, oh, how about Baby Yoda? Okay, so I'm going to search for Baby Yoda. I'm going to do one where he's eating, right? Maybe I want that. Hey, that's kind of funny. He's eating some pizza. So now I can publish that one, and you can see it's right there. Maybe... whoop, nope, that's not what I wanted. Sometimes the double clicking can be a little iffy, but you can always just hover and press edit. So then I'd need to give it a title and be like, snacks make studying better too. So maybe I'm doing my something more about how to study effectively. Well, maybe the article about music might do that. Maybe the GIFs will draw attention to things. Maybe original articles about that kind of prove my point, and I can change the order. Finally, I do want to point out you can change what the entry looks like as well if you scroll down and you select stuff. Most of the time the fonts are always going to be the same, but I think you can edit it, and you can set individual posts as a slightly different color if you want. You can also transfer it, copy it, expand it. You can set it as your cover and so on. So let's say you really want to prove how to study better, and you really like this Baby Yoda. You can set that as the cover for your Padlet. And when you go back out into your own Padlets here, oh, it should have made it the cover. Oh, there it was. It just took a few seconds to update. So there, now we've got my GIF as my cover. So you can use Padlet in lots of ways. This is just one. And absolutely, if the camera was working, you could do a video and so on. You can also link direct to video, direct to YouTube. You can do an audio-only entry. You can record your screen and do like a screen capture thing, like what we do with OBS. You can even do locations if you can figure out how that would be useful, or upload your own files. So there's tons and tons of different options for using this all within this program. And ultimately, this is to record your process. You should be doing an entry every time you sit down to research. Even if it's just like just a plain text entry like this one right here, you could just say, today I spent most of my time researching how can I study better? What's an effective studying method? Maybe that's my statement of inquiry, not a great one. But maybe that's my focus. I can then do an entry, just an old school text entry, or a video entry, or an audio only entry. So it allows you many different options to show your process, and it makes a record of it. And when you're done, you can just go up and you can export it just like I showed you before, and make it a PDF, and check it out when I'm done. You'll have clickable links all in a PDF. And when you're done that, go delete your earlier one so you can start your next project if you want. Once you're done, you're something more. Okay? So here we go. And the links are still clickable. I think that's my favorite part. I can get to the original articles by just clicking on the links. So that's the idea. Okay? Any questions? Yeah. Probably not. I can't show that because I'm taking a video right now. But if I turn off the webcam, let me just do that real quick. Deactivate. Boom. Now it's gone. So if I now go back here, I should be able to do a video entry since it's not using my webcam. Let's try that. Video recorder. Let's see if this works. Allow. Hey, there we go. It seems to be working now. I can press record. Hi, this is Mr. Cleland trying something new. That's it. Go away now. And then you press playback to make sure it's the way you want it. Hi, this is Mr. Cleland trying something new. That's it. Go away now. I like it. All right, so then it'll upload that here. Let's see. I'm going to call that video test. Okay. And now, if I wanted to, now this is also why I like Padlet, because I can click it and it just plays it right there. It doesn't have to go to YouTube or anything.
Hi, this is Mr. Cleveland trying something new.
There we go. Now, I don't think that'll work if we export it, but that's an excellent question. Let's try it. I would be shocked. I just don't see how this could work as a PDF. If it does, I will be just blown out of the water. Let's see. So I got all this. The photos come up for real. The GIFs aren't moving. And there's a still of the video.
Hi, this is Mr.
What? Oh, I think I like it. Awesome. Well, hopefully that works. I bet you if you delete the Padlet, it's gone. But anyway, that's an excellent question.
Hi, this is Mr. Cleveland trying something new. That's it. Go away now.
Okay. Well, we're learning something every day. I'm going to pop back on here and turn this back on. All right, thanks very much, and I hope that this helps. Please mess around, and if you see something else that you can do with Padlet that I don't already know, let me know. All right, have a good one. Bye.